had these braces in now for about 3 months. Yes, it's bad being a
I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty.
Just look at my roots. Oh my gosh, like I didn't even want to look at that. Just turn your face. Just turn your face. Turn your face, okay? But the Lord will provide. The Lord has got us. He's got me in this here right now. Luckily, the ends still look a little good, but the curls were like... I'll be using the Melanin African Black Soap Shampoo. And one of the things I'm going to do, if you have a spray bottle, you can put some water in it and put the shampoo in it as well. A little bit of that. Shake it up and apply it to your scalp. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can apply the shampoo as is. So don't even stress if you don't have it. And you're just basically gonna wet your scalp, make sure it's saturated. Remember, those dirt and everything holds on your braids, so you really need to get in there. But of course, don't manipulate it too much that it causes frizz. But it should look something like this once you actually, you know, go in and get that cleaned a little bit more. So I'm doing this because I do have dirt that has been holding on my braid. So as a way, you could do this as well if you do have that problem. Now I'm gonna put it in a bun so that when we wet the hair, we don't want to wet the entire head. We just want to mostly clean the scalp. So that's like the main goal here. So just make sure that you get a good scrunchie that will hold all your hair. I think the one I'm using in this video is not that great. For some reason, I did this on slow-mo by mistake, and it's just really funny how I'm looking here. But this is pretty much it before we get into the shower. Okay, work it. Yes, Vogue. At this step now, you could either use a bowl that you have at home in your kitchen, whichever bowl. Just get a plastic bowl because we don't want a glass. Or you can get like those handheld shower heads. That is much easier, but I didn't have that here. And we basically gonna apply shampoo again because we need to clarify that scalp. Remember, we're only cleaning the scalp. Just tilt your head back and don't let that water come in your face. You can get it at another time in another place. Listen to me, okay? Look at me now following my own advice. Now you tell me, who could style me with this clean scalp? Nobody. I felt like I need to go back in with some more water there, so I did. After that, I pretty much just dried my hair with a shirt that I found. And then I thought to myself, I look like Mulan. Yeah, right. What if I left my hair like this and go out in public? Would I still be a baddie? Would guys still want to holler at me? Now we gotta style this this hair up. Excuse me. As you can see, these ends are super dry, and that was the goal. Now it's time to oil this girl up. And we're going to be using the Mayeli Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. I have not been a big girl on oils, but I'm trying to do better. So I'm going to be doing this and that and that to basically give my head a massage because, damn, it feels good. Like, who doesn't like a head massage? Like, look at my face. Look at it. Talk about turn on. You had a good time, didn't you? So for this, you can use a mousse, any type of mousse, some kind of mousse. But I use this one that's a braiding and setting mousse. By the way, all these items can be found in my Amazon storefront link down below. So check that out. So if you were watching, you would have seen it. I was not generous with this mousse. Like, I was going in. Just make sure you get it all over there. Just get it up in there. You know what I mean? Now let's try this gel on these braids because as you can see, it needs some life in the front there. So we're going to be doing that mostly to the front of her head. Just keep on twisting till you can't twist no more, honey. Okay? So we're going to do that mostly to the front. And then we're going to do with the edges now. Not the biggest fan of this edge control, but we're going to work with what we got. So we're going to basically just do these edges, get it looking cute and crisp. Do not mind this edge control brush. It's been used. At this step, you're going to do your edges how you're comfortable. I just basically do them like this. And you copy this if you want. And you can see the difference. Huge difference there. Hello, is it me you're looking for? Well, now you know with this hair, nobody could tell me nothing. Nothing. Look at my edges and the forehead popping. Now we're gonna tie this down because our scalp is also damp. In addition to, we already applied mousse, so we want to set it in really nice. So I'm gonna use the blow dryer to kind of dry my scalp a little bit, you know, because we don't want a wet scalp walking around the place. Or you can air dry it if you want as well, but it just looks better. But white, baby, looking fresh as a mother. Shut your mouth. Damn, darling. Could I get a minute of your time, baby? And that's all I have for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you. Te amo.